Welcome back to Samar Hyatt channel, where we dive deep into the tech that powers your day. Today, we're zeroing in on a device that's found on millions of wrists around the world, the Apple Watch. Whether you're considering your first smartwatch or you're a longtime user, we've got something for everyone. Let's unlock everything there is to know about the Apple Watch. First up, what makes the Apple Watch a must-have for so many? Apart from telling time, it's like having a personal assistant, health coach, and navigator all wrapped around your wrist. It keeps you connected without ever needing to pull out your phone. You can receive calls, reply to texts, and even check your emails with just a tap or a voice command. Speaking of health, let's dive deeper. The Apple Watch isn't just about step counting. With advanced sensors, it tracks all forms of exercise, from running to yoga, measuring everything from pace and elevation to calories burned. And for those who take their health seriously, the ECG app and blood oxygen monitor are designed to provide critical data that you can share with your doctor. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some real users who've seen the benefits firsthand. Now let's tackle some of your most asked questions. Is the Apple Watch waterproof? Yes, you can swim with it. How long does the battery last? With typical use, expect to charge it nightly. And for all you power users, here are some tips to maximize your Apple Watch experience. The Apple Watch does a lot more than just tell time. It's a gateway to a healthier, more connected lifestyle. Whether you're looking to stay fit, stay in touch, or stay safe, it's a tool that adapts to your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Got questions or want to share your Apple Watch experience? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep moving forward and stay connected.